On this week's episode of Takeout Tuesday, I'm in the heart of Little Italy in New York City, and I'm taking a stroll down Mulberry Street to visit La Bella Ferrara Bakery to try one of their best-selling treats, the lobster tail. So let's give it a try. Okay, so I just came from La Ferrara Bella Bakery here in Little Italy in New York City, and I got the lobster tail because this is what I've heard and read from all the reviews, that this is the must-try iconic treat along with the cannoli. But I was so keen on trying the lobster tail because I've never had a lobster tail, at least a pastry, before. So let's give it a try. So as you can see, it's covered with powdered sugar, and it's filled with a French cream, which from what I've read and learned, it's like a pastry cream similar to, but blended with like a whipped cream, and there's powdered sugar, and you can kind of see there's just so many layers of flaky goodness, which to me means it's going to be crunchy and hopefully buttery too. So let's give it a bite. Oh, that's creamy. Definitely a dessert. It's really, really sweet, savory. Really sweet, not savory. Sweet, and I can really taste the whipped cream and everything in there. And the pastry, just like I thought it would be, is really flaky and crispy. I gotta take another bite of this, of course. Bite number 3, and this time I'm gonna really go in for some of that cream right there that you see. Ooh, lost a piece. All right, let's go for it. This lobster tail lives up to the hype. It's really good. It's really creamy, definitely super crispy, a really well done pastry, and sweet and a treat, and it's under $5, which for New York City, as you know, I tend to look for a lot of treats, passing by truck, that are under $5 because, well, if you live on a budget in a city and it's during a pandemic, then you need something that's affordable, and this is something that you can enjoy that's kind of a sweet treat and totally iconic New York City treat. So well done for the La Ferrara Bella lobster tail. Guys, thank you so much for watching this episode of Takeout Tuesday. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you'll tune in next week to see where I find to enjoy delicious takeout during the pandemic in New York City. Until then, I'll see you later. Cheers and happy lobster tails.